Good morning, students. Welcome to e-learning classes. Let's continue chapter 1 of maths of class 8th, that is rational numbers. Today we will learn how can we represent of rational numbers on the number line. So students, in your previous classes you have learned to represent natural number, whole numbers, integers on number line. Let us revise them. So students, you can see this line, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are natural number. So if you want to represent 2 on number line, so you can draw a line and divide the line in equal parts, and we write 1, 2, 3, 4 on right side, because these all numbers are positive numbers, and as you know that we represent positive numbers on right side. So this is 2, so we represent 2 and we give the name of this point is A. So A represent 2. Clear student? Point A represent 2. Next, whole numbers. Now we will write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, because 0 with natural numbers are whole numbers. So we write here 0 and all positive numbers on right side. If you want to represent 5, so we will write 5, we will draw a line and we divide this line in equal parts, and we write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we give name of this point is A. So point A represents 5. Next, integers. Now integers means all positive and all negative numbers with 0. So firstly we will draw a line, we put 0 and we write 1, 2, 3 all positive numbers on right side of 0 and all negatives number of left side of 0. So students, if you want to represent -3 on number line, this is -3 and name this is A. So A represent -3. Clear students? Next, rational numbers. So students, rational numbers are numbers which are in P by Q form, means जो जिन numbers को हम fraction में लिखते हैं, these are rational numbers. So here we write 0, 1/2 and 1. So 1/2 is the half of 0 and 1. So students, to represent a rational number, we will see the denominator of a fraction. If denominator is 2, so we will divide this line into 2 parts. Here 1/2, so denominator is 2, so we will divide 1 and 2. And here 1/3, here denominator is 3, so we will divide this line 1, 2, 3. So this is 1/3 and this is 2/3. Now I will explain you with an example. So students, to represent 1/8, firstly we will draw a line and we will divide this line in 8 equal parts, because here denominator is 8. So we will divide this line in 8 equal part and we will write this is 1/8, this is 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8 and 7/8. So students, we use the number 1/8 to name the first point of this division, means we name this point is A. This is A. So here point A represent 1 upon 8. Clear, students? Now we will try this. Write the rational number for each point labeled with a letter. So here A, B, C, D, E are some letters, and first point is 0.5 and second will be 1 upon 5 and 2 upon 5, 3 upon 5 becomes 4 upon 5, 5 upon 5, 6 upon 5, 7 upon 5, 8 upon 5, 9 upon 5. So students, here point A represent 1 upon 5, point B represent 4 upon 5, point C represent 5 upon 5. 5 upon 5 means 1. So we can write here 1 also. And point D represent 8 upon 5 and point E represent 9 upon 5. So students, like this you can try next sum by yourself. Now we can learn how can we find rational numbers between two rational numbers. Means now I take two rational numbers. There are 3 upon 10 and 7 upon 10 are two rational numbers. Now how can we find the rational number between 3 upon 10 and 7 upon 10? So simply we can write it 3 upon 10, 4 upon 10, 5 upon 10, 6 upon 10 and 7 upon 10. There are three rational numbers between 3 upon 10 and 7 upon 10. Now if we multiply this fraction by 10, so we get 3 multiply 10, 30 and 10 multiply by 10, 100. Same 7 multiply 10, 70 and 10 multiply 10, 100. Now we will write rational numbers between 30 upon 100 and 70 upon 100. So students, here 31 upon 100, 32 upon 100, 33 upon 100 and so on, 68 upon 100, 69 upon 100 and 70 upon 100. These all are rational numbers between 30 upon 100 and 70 upon 100. So students, you get countless rational numbers between any two given rational number. जो भी टू रेशनल नंबर्स होते हैं उनके बिटवीन अगर हमें रेशनल नंबर फाइंड करने होते हैं तो वो काउंटलेस होते हैं, मीन्स इनफाइनाइट होते हैं, बहुत सारे नंबर होंगे. वो जरूरी नहीं है कि मेरा आंसर और आपका आंसर मैच करता होगा. आपके नंबर्स अलग हो सकते हैं, मेरे नंबर्स अलग हो सकते हैं. आई विल एक्सप्लेन विद अनदर एग्जाम्पल. राइट एनी थ्री रेशनल नंबर्स बिटवीन -2 and 0. So students, here I will take -2 and 0 as rational numbers. So we will write -2 upon 1 and 0 upon 1. Now we will multiply -2 by 10 and 1 upon 1 multiply 10 and 0 multiply 10 upon 10 multiply 10. Students, यहाँ पर डिनोमिनेटर सेम होना चाहिए. क्लियर? We want 3 rational number. So we will multiply by 10. So we get -20 upon 10 and 0 upon 10. Now we will write -20 upon 10, -19 upon 10, -18 upon 10, -17 upon 10, -60 upon 10, ... 0 upon 10. So here many more rational number between -20 upon 10 and 0 upon 10. So students, you can write any three rational number as your choice between -2 and 0. I write here -19 upon 10, -18 upon 10 and -17 upon 10 are three rational numbers between -2 and 0. And another example is, I take two rational number -5 upon 6 and 5 upon 8. Here 6 and 8 are denominator of given fraction, but the denominator are not same. Here 6 and here 8. So firstly we have to multiply by first fraction by 4 and second fraction by 3. मीन्स इस रेशनल नंबर को हमें 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर बोथ, एंड सेकेंड रेशनल नंबर को हमें 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर बोथ. सो वी गेट -20/24 एंड 15/24. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? अब यहाँ पे क्या है, डिनोमिनेटर सेम हो गए. नाउ वी विल राइट रेशनल नंबर बिटवीन -5/6 एंड 5/8. So we write -20/24, -19/24, -18/24 and dash 15/24. So students, like this you can write any other rational numbers between -5/6 and 5/8. So students, this is the end of today's session. We will continue this chapter in next video. We will solve exercise 1.2. Okay, thank you.